Hi, I'm Allie. I'm the program coordinator for the Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to teach you how to make a fancy flamingo for the May 2024 Kids Take and Make Kit. So we have provided you with some pipe cleaners, a light pink one, a dark pink one, and a black one, a pink feather, a googly eye, and we'd recommend using your own scissors and glue. So start by taking your light pink pipe cleaner and rolling it into a spiral, just a small circular spiral up at the top, and then going in the other direction, roll another much bigger spiral until you've used up almost your entire pipe cleaner, just leaving a little space in between the two spirals, which you can shape into a bit of an S shape, and this makes your flamingo's body. Then, taking your black pipe cleaner, cut off a small piece of that pipe cleaner and kind of thread it, push it through the middle of your flamingo's face. And if you want, you can twist the ends so that it tapers off to make it look like a real beak. Then take your darker pink pipe cleaner and loop it through the bottommost part of your circle, the bottom part of that body of your flamingo. And once you make a loop, you're going to straighten out those legs and decide how long you want them. And then you can cut off the parts of the legs that you don't want, the excess length of the legs. And then you're going to bend the ends of the legs to make them look like feet. And I made mine a little too long, so I'm going to cut off a little bit more of it. And then I chose to make my flamingo look like it's standing on one leg, but you can do whatever you want. Then, taking your scissors, you might want to trim down your feather, and you're going to use your glue and glue that feather into sort of the center of your flamingo's body. And if it doesn't stick, you might want to glue it a little bit more and hold it. And you can also tuck the end of that feather into the pipe cleaner, and that helps the feather just stay on the body of the flamingo. And then take your googly eye and your glue and put a little dot of glue on your googly eye and stick it to the flamingo's face. And there you have it, your beautiful fancy flamingo. And don't miss our upcoming programs.